Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this segment, we will present our project report on CRACKCORN Sedang Berhad. So, let's go.
Hi, my name is Amira Aminatasha binti Arjuna, matrix number 1191759. So I will present to you guys about the overview of this task. CRACKCORN Sedang Berhad is a private-owned company that sells corn-based snacks called popcorn that come with mouth-watering flavors and addictive crunch. We do this sale online and offline, but we prefer online sales because we follow the current era of modernity that uses more information technology strategies in business. Target customers of CRACKCORN Sedang Berhad are all ages and groups, but pay more attention to teenagers and adults, especially with students' status, because based on the research and according to our IT strategy, this group is a potential group that spends a lot of time using social media and the internet. So our way of selling online that is using social media is one of our main IT strategies. Utilizing the website system to promote products is one of the business strategies. We use Google Sites, which is user-friendly software. Both the developer and the customer will find this software to be simple to use. The total amount of money we spend on the process of building our company website is as much as 7,500 ringgit. Then this marketed product is an existing product that is on the rise. The time allotted to create this business is for 1 month, which is start from the discussion among organizations and the establish of the organization up to the level of sales. It takes a long time to ensure the smooth running of the business. Additionally, by conducting online sales through a website in addition to sales through social media, it is possible to reduce the use of cost in product sales. By promoting and advertising on social media, website, and the internet, we prioritize IT strategy. Then the marketing system of this company competes in a market that is extremely competitive. It entails integrating a cautious promotionally promotional strategy into a special marketing mix that is selling using a well-organized and sophisticated system to capture as much market share as possible.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nadrah Sakinah binti Nasri. My matric number 1191758. I will explain about project goals. First, functional goals. To ensure that our business works well, our company will create brand awareness so that consumers are familiar with the CRACKCORN company brand. At the same time, they know where to find CRACKCORN products. When these products are needed, we also will increase traffic that is strong prospect and sales conversions. Our strategic goals is increasing the numbers of customers on the website, such as making promotions on the website and on social media so that users are aware of the existence of popcorn products from our company. In addition, our company will control cost expenses every year to prevent the company from losses and be able to increase profits. We also aim for long-term profit by looking at the production factors and costs involved in production and can develop a popcorn business concept that has a world-class level. Next, our business goal is produce and sell popcorn at a reasonable price and diversify popcorn flavors in order to meet customer demand and taste. In addition, the basic short-term goals is to advertise to the public about the opening of this new popcorn business, market the service, and ensure that the store launch goes smoothly within 5 years. The long-term goal is to find a partner to help grow the business. This means that the service will not be interrupted if the sole owner is unable to operate for certain reasons. Our technological goals is offers operational infrastructure and organizational foundations, including hardware and software. To reduce the possibility of leaking customer information, increase the level of security on the website. By including relevant case studies and customer testimonials on the website, companies can improve online sales support such that message consistent with the message provided by the sales team will be displayed to prospect visiting the website. And lastly, quality goals. Our quality goals is improving quality in all popcorn process to create customer loyalty and customer satisfaction in using our company services in terms of cleanliness, fast delivery, service, and increasing employees who are competent and committed in performing their duties and responsibilities. Next, project scope. For included, information technology benefit the company because without information technology, business activities involving online platforms are impossible. Therefore, our company began to focus its marketing strategy by relying on advanced technology. Whereas for consumers, information technology application make it easier for them to find the goods or services they need quickly at a reasonable price. To promote our products to buyers, our company will develop a website by investing in building a website for the company. This is because our company wants to implement a good and user-friendly website and cooperate with several companies to promote popcorn products. Users can buy our product through the website provided. We will also include the website in our product copywriting when promoting on social media sites. This is to make it easier for buyers to buy directly through the website because they can find out product information and prices. Next, excluded. This project will exclude entering the project implementation cost in the system to know the total cost that will be involved. Make a table of the financial position of the business in the system so that it can be easily checked by the financial manager and the company can know the profit and loss of the company more quickly. And lastly, entering the employee's salary into the system to know the money coming in and out.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Adibah Najiha binti Muhammad Nazri. My matric number 1191769. Now, I will present to you our organization. This project is managed by the Marketing Information Technology team to promote this popcorn product to the community. This project focuses on increasing the number of customers on the websites. This Marketing Information Technology project is run by our team consisting of 5 members. That is led by the project manager and accompanied by the system analyst, system designer, tester, and programmer. This group has a complete organization in carrying out marketing information technology for the project. Each of these positions has its own task and area of work. This project is led by the project manager, whose main task is to plan and ensure the smooth of the project. This is our organization chart. Next, I will explain to you the role and the tasks of the organization. The project manager, Nur Sakinah binti Mahadi, the task was to create a project plan for marketing IT strategies. For the system analysis, the task was to analyze the existence of problems and crises from the website. System designer, the task was to contribute to the development and maintenance of interactive design website that updates the project progress. Next, tester, Amira Amina Tasha binti Arjuna. The task was evaluating the usability of website and reporting any bugs or problem to the developers. Last, programmer, Nurul Nadira binti Burhanuddin. The task was responsible for the creation and preparation of website execution. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Sakina binti Mahadi, number matric 1191752. I will continue my group project presentation on CRACKCORN Sdn Bhd. Number 4 is schedule and budget. I will explain the 4.1, which is work breakdown structure. Beside of the project manager, there are 4 job scope that will be introduced. First, system analyze. They are analyzes the problem and crisis, support the information and managing the internet, beside website and social media system. Second, system designer, which is updating as well as monitoring the maintenance of all these of designed website as well as implementing into the practical website. Third is testers. They are evaluate the usability of the website and report every matter related to the development of the website. And fourth, programmer. They are create and implement of the website by following all the rules set. In 4.2, schedule and milestone, I will present the milestone 0, which is we will start project discussion and release the budget. In milestone 0, we will gather the information, which is conduct research on target user, define website purpose, goals and objective, and conduct research on website content. In milestone 1, we will start planning the structure, which is develop a sitemap, write content outline, and build website wireframe. And in milestone 2, we will start executions, which is design. We will run cross-team status update meeting. Second, design research with various idea and prototype. And last, we will mock up. In milestone 3, we will confirm the executions, which is install the CMS, or we call content management system, set up hosting or staging, build HTML pages, or we call hypertext markup language, and choose CMS term and template. In milestone 4, we will start introduction with testing. We will testing with functionality, usability, interface, and compatibility. And milestone 5, we will release the product or launch the product, which is whole meeting on final launch approval, whole meeting on SEO strategy, or we call search engine optimization, whole meeting on maintenance and upload website file to the server, and lastly, in milestone 6, we will close the project. Continue with 4.3 budget. As we discussed before the project, we released 7,500 ringgit. Therefore, each milestone have the budget on the item. For milestone 0 until 1, we decided to release 4,500 ringgit for the human resources, which is internal and external aspect, and also for the training. For milestone 1 until 2, we decided to release the budget 1,500 ringgit only for the equipment. For milestone 2 until 5, we do not release the budget. And for the milestone 5 until 6, we decided to release 1,500 ringgit for review activity and others.
In step 4, we call as development or build. The design itself should be prepared at this time. However, it typically takes the form of static visual. Depending on how intricate the design is, it requires additional development work to convert it to HTML, or we call hypertext markup language, and then add a layer of animation or JavaScript. A core for inside the page is created first, and the home page. The core, which include the website main navigation, act as the template for the content page. The design team job is to add context to internal pages after this call and have been made. Interactive content form and e-commerce shopping cart should be created and made operational during this contents. To quickly make all the required correction, the customer will need to view the change made to the website. An understanding of the fundamental of front-end development should be huge advantage for any designer. Writing proper HTML, or we call hypertext markup language, code in accordance with the web standard and different web browser is a must for this. Understanding this information will facilitate teamwork and avoid any miscommunication. Every needs to be truthfully tested after development is complete. And of course, we have a testing for the step 5. The testing procedure can begin once the material and image are ready to ensure that the website is presented correctly across all browser and that all link are operational. Every page must be tested. The wording of title and the description can affect how well a web page perform in different search engine. Once our website has some traffic, maybe can use A or B or chosen of any website prototype to testing strategy to identify the perfect pairing. In 4.4 development process, there are 6 steps. So number 1 is information gathering. In this stage or in this step, we will gather all the data required for the project in order to comprehend the needs of the business, which is identify the purpose, website, the objective, and do some research of audience or the targeted user, such as what the age, what the hobbies, what the custom of the group. So with the research, we may choose the ideal design aesthetic for the website. So second, we planning and strategy and wireframing. So in step 1, we gather all the database or all the data required. So in step 2, we implement the data collected together and develop a comprehensive website plan. So in the website, we in the sitemap, in a list is a list of all major subject area of a website together with any pertinent subtopic. So in this sitemap will assist user comprehend the navigation layout and the material that will be on the website. So the website and user are potentially as a consumer, and their experience are important as simple as feasible. And step 3, we will graphical design to strengthen the company identity. In order of website is critical to incorporate visual component carefully and tastefully, like logo and brand color as a part of design process. Typically throughout the design, we produce one or more website prototype. So the prototype often consists a static image of the finished website to provide the client with a sense of website before development started. Is a good idea to design clickable prototype, and this step will call for extensive communication with our client, such as email exchanges and teamwork via content sharing platform like Dropbox. So to ensure that the finished website reflect their goals, preference, and vision, we keep our client up to date during every designs and production stage, and this brainstorming and idea sharing are important. For the 6th step of the development process, we call as delivery and launch. Of course, we launch the product, as the website can go online as soon as the client given their final permission. Prior to that, through the website should be tested one final time to ensure that the all file have been uploaded correctly and that is fully operation. In addition, web hosting account should be set up and the web domain name should be registered. Installation of a plugin for website powered by CMS and SEO. Operation are the final component of this step. SEO is a process of optimizing our website, title, description, and keyword tag to help its rank better in search result, because it makes sure that the build website is visible to visitors and that they can find it easily. Website optimization for search engine play a critical role. And last, as a maintenance, for the final step, once the website is operational, routine upkeep is typically necessary to increase the usability and discoverability of features. Our or user testing can be repeatedly conducted on new material and features. All this may result in additional design and development tasks.
Then this is the development process. For this system, we use website as a method of the system, which is applied. This website is applied for displaying online business method, and this website is available on second month. Then the tools we use for this website is Google Sites, and Google Site is to develop business website. So we use Google Site to promote our business, which is our CRACKCORN Sdn Bhd business product, and the Google Site is available in second month. Lastly, for the languages for this system, we use JavaScript, and this is applied for web interface language, and this language is available on second month, also in second month.
My name is Nadira binti Bahmuddin. My matric number is 10771. The first risk manager. The first risk is project does not complete within the scheduled date. The responsibility is project team member, and the risk status is high risk, and the strategy is keep monitoring the project from time to time, review employee compensation on a regular basis. Second, getting the risk is getting hosting. The responsibility is a project team member, and the risk status is high risk, and the strategy is why we can easily find hundreds of companies that will host our websites online. For a developer business trying to get online, we probably don't understand all the technical jargon involved. Third, the risk is creating good looking website. The responsibility is a project team member, and the risk status is a medium risk. CMS like WordPress or decide to hire a designer, it will easily see ourselves spending in excess of RM12,000 for a basic web design. Lastly, the risk is the plan costs more than the low budget. The responsibility is a project manager, and the risk status is a medium risk, and the strategy is to ensure that the project stay within budget or cost less. Constantly review the project cost. Role and responsibility of project manager. The first is managing report and necessary documentation. Second, organizing and motivating a project team. Third, identifying and solving the problem occurred. Second, the role of the responsibility of team member. The first is liaise with stakeholder to ensure the project meet business need. Second, provide information estimate and feedback to the project manager during project planning. Third, working with team member to achieve daily, weekly, and monthly target. Next, we have deliverable. We have C deliverable. The first is gather information on date 1 January 2023. Second, develop the structure of sitemap on 9 January 2023. Third, implement design of sitemap on 12 January 2023. Fourth, build the sitemap on 21 January 2023. Fifth, testing the sitemap on 24 January 2023 also, and lastly launch the sitemap on 27 January 2023. Seven, security aspect. The security aspect on infrastructure, the first is KP access, second intruder alarm, third security camera monitor, fourth use of biometric to manage employee identification and access, fifth badge for employees, sixth a fire suppression system, and lastly the security guard at the front gates. So, our company use the internet for all its transactions, such as online purchase, ordering product, account and customer information, and all transactions made by customer. Okay, the security aspect on management, the first is we use a firewall, the second we use antivirus program, and lastly we use security network.
Then for INA aspects, due to its significance to the economy, the field of entrepreneurship is one that has a wide range of potential applications. Work through one's own hands, or more accurately, work through oneself as instructed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All ideas that are deemed disdainful or looked down on individuals who toil or strive on their own in a modest or lowly line of work have been eradicated by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to create successful entrepreneurs in this world and the hereafter. The concept of Islamic entrepreneurship needs to be combined with Naqli and Akli knowledge. From Surah An-Nisa, ayat 29, Allah said, believers do not devour one another's possessions wrongfully. Rather than that, let there be trading by mutual consent. Muslim and other believers are forbidden from eating food and acquiring wealth in ways that displease Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, such as gambling, cheating, and other such practices. Due to their dishonest and shady acquisitions, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forbidden these routes. Then, from Riwayat Tirmizi said, honest and trustworthy traders, together with Prophet, Siddiqin, and Martyrs in the hereafter. Honesty is a crucial component of entrepreneurship, since the entrepreneur himself is the one who will shape his business or entrepreneurship to a higher level, whether through a path that is pleasing to Allah or not. The element of honesty is closely related to him or her. As soon as it is possible to generate a blessed income that guaranteed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the concept of entrepreneurship must adhere to Sharia law to win the approval of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Thank you for your listening in our presentation. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.